we have a special part in the Interchange podcast that is called the Rapid7. And the Rapid7 is about asking 7 questions super fast, super quickly, and you will have to answer them super fast, super quickly.
Okay, I'm excited. I hope I can manage it.
Okay.
Just let me put my dance shoes on before.
You don't need dance shoes for that. You're just flying around.
Okay, let's go.
So Bernd, Latin or standard?
Latin.
Eine kleine Nachtmusik or 99 Luftballons?
Mozart has been one of the first innovation guys in music.
Right.
Describe dance sport in 1 word.
Passion.
Describe digital transformation in 1 word.
Passion.
I can see a pattern here. Describe the nexus between dance sport and digital transformation in 1 word.
Leadership.
Passion and passion makes nice. Best breakfast food.
Coffee.
Agreed. An inspirational message or an advice, but in no more than 5 words.
It's 6 words. Be the truest rebel you are.
I love it. 6 words or 7 words or 5 words. I love it. Yes, yes, yes for that. Yes for that. Bernd, anything else that you want to share?
Oh, well, first of all, I have to thank you. It has been an amazing conversation, and imagining that we are physically sitting on totally different areas of the world and having this wonderful conversation about digital innovation and dancing, you know, it's just, I'm blessed, you know, and I have to thank you for your time and also for having me as a guest and giving me the opportunity to share my view on the world just as a proposal. And so the only thing I would like to share is, you know, sometimes the treasure lies in the unexpected. And whenever you have a weird feeling looking at something, whenever you say, well, I don't know what that means, is that really important to me? Does it really matter? I've made the experience that these are the moments where you should actually look closer. Because in order to do new things, you have to look at those things that feel weird to you. And yeah, that would be probably the advice. So whenever you come across a dancer, even if you haven't been dancing before, join him or her. Dancers are nice people. Dancers are always willing to show you the next dance. And I love the picture of the 3 of us one day after the pandemic situation, meet in person and have a dance session mixed between Lebanon, Finland, and Germany. And let's switch music. That'll be fun.
I agree.
Fantastic.
I agree. Paul, are you in?
I'm in. This has got to happen.
It has to.
So we're planning for an actual real world dance session once the crazy phase we're in wears out and we can create, I don't want to say new normal because I hate it. We want to create a new exceptional.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely. Make something to remember.
Exactly.
Agreed. Bernd, I personally want to thank you so much for your time, for your insights, for your innovative ideas, and for bridging a gap and inhabiting the space between the spaces, because this is where we can actually create an exceptional future. And it is through these explorations that we can finally design something that looks much more like us, instead of us wanting to look like the systems and the molds and the structures that are available to us because they've been in place for the past hundreds and thousands of years. So I thank you so very much. Paul, do you have any last words to share with our dear audiences?
Just that I've been incredibly privileged to be here for today's talk. I'll say it, the wisdom that has been shared today, I hope can benefit others just as much as I feel that it has benefited me personally. This has been a fantastic talk. And I look forward to more conversations outside of Interchange and more conversations inside of Interchange. But for now, on behalf of the Time Repair Corporation, I want to thank you all for listening and for being a part of the Interchange. Reach out to us if something about the talk today really touched you, then let us know. Get a message out, because I'm sure Bernd would love to hear about it as well. And that way we can all sort of join a greater conversation. Thank you very much.
That was Interchange. Thank you, Bernd. Paul, it's always a pleasure co-hosting this with you. And for you, everyone out there listening to us, enjoy the rest of the day, night, evening. Dance around, dance your heart out, and make sure to transfer all the energy that you have within you and move across your life with all the power and all the beautiful things that you have to share.